What if I told you there's a supplement that can boost your strength, enhance your brain power, and even change the way your body works on a cellular level? Sounds like magic, right? But wait, what about the weird side effects no one tells you about? Stick around, because in today's video, we're uncovering the amazing benefits and bizarre side effects of creatine. Let's dive in. What is creatine? Creatine is a natural compound found in our muscle cells. Think of it as your body's energy booster. It helps your muscles produce energy quickly during high-intensity activities. The human body naturally produces creatine, and it's also found in foods like red meat and fish. But here's the twist. To truly unlock its potential, many people turn to creatine supplements. Why? Because your body's natural storage is limited. A creatine supplement supercharges these levels, giving you enhanced physical and mental performance. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now, if you think creatine is just for bodybuilders or athletes, think again. It's not only about building biceps. The benefits go much deeper, like boosting your brain and protecting your heart. And yes, we'll also dive into those strange side effects that might surprise you. Ready for the ride? The amazing benefits of creatine. 1. Enhances muscle growth and strength. Creatine is the undisputed king of muscle-building supplements. Studies show that taking creatine can increase muscle strength by 10–20% in just a few weeks. But how does it work? When you work out, your muscles use a molecule called ATP for energy. Creatine helps regenerate ATP faster, so you can lift heavier, recover quicker, and build lean muscle more effectively. If you're into resistance training, combining creatine with protein can supercharge your results. Imagine smashing personal records at the gym, week after week. It's like having a cheat code for strength. 2. Improves brain function. Here's a benefit most people don't know. Creatine isn't just for your muscles. It's a brain booster too. Your brain consumes massive amounts of energy, especially when solving complex problems or learning new skills. Creatine helps fuel brain cells, improving memory, focus, and cognitive performance. In fact, studies suggest creatine supplementation may help combat neurological diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Pretty incredible for a supplement often associated with gym-goers, right? 3. Boosts athletic performance. Athletes love creatine for a reason. It's a performance enhancer. Whether you're sprinting, cycling, or playing sports, creatine gives you that explosive power to perform better and recover faster. It's like giving your body an energy upgrade without the jitters of caffeine or other stimulants. 4. Supports heart health. This might sound surprising, but creatine can also benefit your heart. Research suggests that it may improve heart function in people with conditions like heart failure. It helps your heart muscle work more efficiently, which is a game changer for overall cardiovascular health. Plus, it could help reduce inflammation, a key factor in heart disease. So far, creatine sounds like a wonder supplement, right? But hold on, what about the weird side effects no one talks about? Let's dive into the surprising things you need to know before you start taking creatine. The weird side effects of creatine. 1. Water retention, the puffiness effect. One of the most common side effects of creatine is water retention. As creatine pulls water into your muscles to help them perform better, it can make you look puffy. While this isn't harmful, some people mistake it for weight gain. The good news? This is temporary and actually a sign that your muscles are well hydrated. Pro tip: drink plenty of water while taking creatine to minimize bloating and support proper hydration. 2. Digestive issues. If you take too much creatine at once, your stomach might rebel. Common symptoms include cramping, diarrhea, or nausea. These effects usually occur when people load creatine with high doses initially. The fix? Stick to the recommended daily dose of 3–5 grams, and you'll likely avoid these issues. 3. Strange muscle cramping. Or not? There's a myth floating around that creatine causes muscle cramps or dehydration. The truth: science debunks this. In fact, creatine may reduce muscle cramps because it improves hydration and electrolyte balance. So, if you hear this myth, feel free to correct it. 4. Changes in kidney function, the controversy. Here's a hot topic. Does creatine harm your kidneys? If you're healthy, the answer is no. However, people with pre-existing kidney issues should consult a doctor before taking it. This concern arises because creatine increases creatinine levels, a marker used to measure kidney function. While this is normal, it might be misinterpreted during tests. 5. The creatine hype syndrome. Yes, that's a term we just coined. Creatine sometimes gives people unrealistic expectations. It's not a magic pill. It works best when combined with a good diet, consistent exercise, and proper sleep. Without these, don't expect miracles. Feeling intrigued, or maybe a little cautious? Don't worry, we're here to help you make an informed decision. Stick around, because next, we'll reveal how to take creatine safely and maximize its benefits while avoiding the side effects. How to take creatine safely. 1. The right dose. The golden rule: start small. A daily dose of 3–5 grams is enough for most people. Some prefer a loading phase, taking 20 grams daily for 5–7 days, but this isn't necessary for everyone. 2. Timing: does it matter? Timing doesn't make or break creatine's effects, but taking it after your workout might provide a slight edge. Combine it with carbs or protein for better absorption. And remember, consistency is key. 3. Combine it wisely. Creatine works well with other supplements, like protein powders or BKS, but avoid mixing it with caffeinated drinks. It might reduce its effectiveness for some people. Who should avoid creatine? While creatine is safe for most, certain groups should exercise caution. People with kidney problems, pregnant or breastfeeding women, those on medications that affect kidney function. So, there you have it, the amazing benefits and weird side effects of creatine. From supercharging your workouts and boosting your brain power to the occasional puffiness or digestive issues, creatine is a supplement worth considering for many people. What do you think? Are you ready to give it a try, or do you still have questions? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep leveling up.